Engine builder was Tantrum Enterprises. The engine builder is also Tantrum Enterprises, who runs on diesel. Sponsored by the Tantrum Enterprises. Photo cut, tire cutting. Now, being the first floor engine class, Lance can take this pull if he wants to, or he can drop back into the sixth major puller. Lance has been pulling for 11 years with us. He used to pull a 4650 and a 78-inch pro stock. 29-year-old farmer out of Tuscola, Illinois. See what he can do. Used to be out here pulling behind his big brother, Chris. And if you want to see the president of Tantrum Enterprises, he's behind the wheel, sitting in the cage with the yellow and black helmet. Okay, Lance and Smithville are Tantrum Enterprises. Yellow fire. Let him run out there, John. 311 feet how far Lance got. Like that red flag couldn't stop that guy once he gets it rolling. Okay, we got the chain tight. Wait for the green lights to come on. The green lights are on, the green flags are out both ends. It's 300 foot to the other end. Take her on down deck. Build a fire, let the door go. Come on, little lights go. Down there, don't know if he did or not.
Not, is he?
According to the things, he ain't on this side, but he is on the other side.
So we'll see how many of them can take it on out the end. Randy Badger out of Monroe, Wisconsin. Well, we don't have a Randy in here, but we got a Troy Badger. Sugar will be in this one. Those guys bought this just this year. I think he bought that off an effort, didn't he? Out of the 5 times he has pulled it this year, I believe he's come in the 20 nothing less than third, I think is what he was telling me. So we know what this little John Deere can do. Out of Sullivan, Indiana, 45-year-old farmer sitting in there on the old case. Green light strong, the green flag top. Come on, come here. Out of Arthur, Illinois. Yes, out of Arthur, Illinois. KD. Okay, Matthew Ferguson, out of Arthur, Illinois. Cook John. Tight. Green lights are on. Green lights on. Green flags are out. John Bull is at the end of the track at 300 feet. Come on, JD. Build a fire in there. Let's go for fresh. We got to get it to the black smoke going quick. Let's down. Nice job of forward, Eddie. Have a little fun getting on the start of the race. On the rear, just a little light on the front.
Yeah.
That little mass did take it down through there.
They took it down to Keepy Hill?
Yeah. Take it.
There you are.
Then that's good. Man, that might probably be the board.
Yeah.
Got a little play on words on the side of it. Got an Illinois tractor, the Illinois tractor. Okay, Jerry, it's full forward. Yes, please. Build that fire in there, you know how to do it. You've only been doing this out here for what? 14 years? You're going out, Bill. Centrico gives away quite a bit of money. I talked to their representative. You have to have it in your tractor, and depending on where you ended up at the end of the year, pick up so much.
Looks like it's me.
I don't know. It sounds like it. And then the black smoke was really
Well, they tell me,
so now they're